Hello everyone, this is Travis with Diesel Laptops. We're going to go over a lift and tilt actuator calibration on a Bobcat skid steer today. We're going to be using the TEXA Off-Highway software. You guys can see we've already connected here to the work group controller. There's 11 parameters here, which is basically going to tell me what my joysticks are doing here. We'll scroll down, let you look at the parameters, and then we'll kind of get into this calibration here in a second. Go back up, and I'll move these joysticks a little bit too, so you can kind of see these values change, so you know what to expect there. We can look at the dashboard side of things, which is just going to give us a pictorial view of that same data we were just looking at, but this is kind of nice to see here, so I'll move the joystick around a little bit for you, let you see. Then we'll go back. Under our Ecu Info tab, it's basically just going to tell us what it is we're connected to, and in this situation, work group controller again. And then in our settings tab, you'll have an actuator calibration and a forced error clearing. This forced error clearing is something kind of specific to Bobcat. I'll show you once we go into the actuator calibration that it actually asks you to clear all active fault codes before running the procedure. Okay, so we'll close that out. We'll actually back up and I'll show you how this forced error clearing works. It's pretty simple. It's going to basically operate the same way as clearing errors any other time. Give you a little description here of what's fixing to go on. We'll close this out and we'll just hit our confirm button. It's clearing those faults out right now. Now we can go in here and do that actuator calibration, but you just want to make sure you do that beforehand. We'll click start. We'll confirm on this and confirm whenever you're ready to start the actuation or the calibration. Now from what you're seeing on the screen, you're not really going to see much here, but you will hear those actuators cycle back and forth. This is the preferred way to do it with a diagnostic tool. There is also a manual procedure you'll see in this blog as well, but the tool does a great job with this machine. Alright guys, thanks for watching.